This tutorial shows you how to auto-assign roles to new users in Discord using the Mee6 bot. In the Discord server, make sure you have created a role that you want to be applied to the new user. You can do that by going into the server settings, going to roles, creating the new role, name it whatever you want. You can add a color if you want to. You can even check the box that says display it separately from other roles. These are all optional. Do whatever you want with this role that you want new users to have when they join the server. Once the role is created, go to the Mee6 website, the link will be in the description. You can also just Google Mee6 bot. Once you're on the website, click on the Add to Discord button. Select the server that you want to add Mee6 to. Select it again and press continue. It's going to come up with a bunch of checkboxes that just show you all the permissions that the Mee6 bot will have. Just click authorize and then click the CAPTCHA checkbox and it will load you into the dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, click on the welcome tab. Check the option that says give a role to new users, add the role that you created for the new users, and press save. Now when someone new joins the server, they will get that role automatically, and if they don't, then Mee6 might need a little bit of time to update or refresh. Now, if you got an error when adding the role to the Mee6 welcome console, don't worry, the fix is super simple. Just go back to Discord, go into server settings, go to roles, and make sure that you move the Mee6 role above the role that you are trying to add. Hit save, and then go back to the welcome page. Check the option again, add the role one more time. You shouldn't get any errors, and you can hit save, and it should be working. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe. If you have any suggestions, leave a comment. To share your art, graphic design, cool video edits, or other creative projects, join my Discord server and post them in the creative channel. I also stream on Twitch every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday at 5 PM Eastern Standard Time. Right now I'm playing through The Legend of Zelda Link's Awakening. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. I jumped, dude! I'm at like oh my god, I'm literally gonna die. Can I please get a heal? Where's the blue room? It's over. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.